get a two-piece mold frame. To successfully, you will first need to acquire a mold frame made of wood, iron, or a similarly solid material. Make sure the frame comes in two parts and is large enough to hold the object you want to cast. Dampen molding sand to create a molding paste. Place the object you want to cast in one of the mold frame pieces. Cover the top of your object with parting dust. The parting dust will prevent the molding material from sticking to your object, creating a more refined mold. Fill the cast with molding sand. Pour the molding sand into a riddle and sift it into the mold frame. Once you've covered the casting object, tamp the sand with your fingers to better preserve the pattern. Then, pour additional, unsifted sand into the mold, making sure to fill it well above the frame's top border. Scrape off any excess. Scrape the excess sand away using a straight edge. When finished, the top of your mold should be completely smooth. Flip your mold over and place the other frame half on top. Once you've tamped the sand down, cover your mold frame with a solid board and carefully flip it over. Then, place the other half of your mold frame on top of the current mold. Repeat the process with the other side of the mold. Make riser holes to contain excess metal. Remove your casting object carefully. Cut a gate between the cast object and sprue hole. Lock your mold frames in place. Finally, filling your mold. Melt your casting metal in a crucible. Pour the molten metal into your casting mold. Let your mold cool for at least 20 minutes. Remove your new object from the mold. Once your metal cools down, shake the mold frame to break up the sand. Then, carefully remove your new object.